Hi, so today I'm sharing with you a look at the Hobonichi drawer pouch Ane and the Hobonichi Weeks. I got a question from a subscriber wondering if the Hobonichi Weeks fits in the Ane drawer pouch, and yes, it absolutely does, and it's made to fit the Hobonichi Weeks, this particular drawer pouch. And I'm going to show you some ideas and how it works, and I also have a link in the description from Hobonichi's website of lots of cute ideas on how to organize this Ane pouch. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life, and let's get started. I have my drawer pouch altered, and I will post a link at the end of this video for you to click on to be able to see how I altered mine, and a little more on how I organize mine. Right now I use mine for stationery. I carry little scissors with me for art journaling. So I have lots of little stationery and bits and papers and little cuteness. I have altered and cut out a section of mine, so it's made to be an accordion to use as a wallet and such. I felt that I could get better use out of mine by doing that altering. And what I did, and you'll be able to see in that closer look video, I just cut this section so it would detach from the other side. Again, that video will show you a little bit more. There's a couple different videos on my drawer pouches, so I'll link those all at the end of the video so they're easy and clickable for you. Okay, let me show you the areas that the drawer pouch fits. I'm going to go ahead and remove some of my stationery here, and just so that you are able to see all the areas that the Hobonichi Weeks and the Weeks Mega will fit in no problem. Okay, so there's a little pocket pouch area at the very back, and you can see that it fits in here no problem at all. Nice, very nicely. There's another spot right here where there's room for cards, key to washi tape, so on. It fits in here. Just getting caught there. It fits in here, wonderful. This would actually be a great spot if you have a Hobonichi Weeks Mega. I'm not certain if the Mega will fit in the very far back here. This one fits very nicely in the far back. Definitely the Mega would fit here. And then it fits right inside. You can close it up easily. I have lots of other goodies still in mine, and it's just spacious and nice. It also has room that you can add. This is a nice thick clickable pin, items like that, and close up nicely. Also, there's room on this side if you want to add your weeks in there. You also could tuck this in the back here and flip it around and utilize your weeks inside of the drawer pouch, if that's something you want to do and have it in here. Your pen still fits quite nicely right there. If you have a thinner one, it would go here as well for closing that up. You can bring along so many other things. If you had two Hobonichi Weeks, I know a lot of people like to use two and have one for their health and fitness and so on, and one is their everyday carry with their appointments and such. You have space to add that in and be able to zip up no problem. So let me show you also on the outer part of the drawer pouch, there's a pocket, and the Weeks fits very nicely right into that pocket. So depending how you want to utilize this drawer pouch, you have lots of different options, which is just wonderful. It's great for so many different things, but I love it for me to grab with my different stationery items and things, and to be able to art journal and create. And so I set mine up for that particular option. But you can see how taking your Hobonichi Weeks and carrying along other items, utilizing maybe as a wallet, and you don't have to cut the drawer pouch. You don't have to alter it in any way in order to utilize your Weeks with it. But if it's something you want to lay open and be able to work from within your Hobonichi Weeks all in one spot, then altering it is a nice option. And also if you're wanting to, now remember I have a lot of bulk here in mine, but also if you're wanting to utilize it as a Weeks holder and carry all your other items, would be very, very lovely and nice as well. So I hope this better helps to decide if the Hobonichi Weeks is something you're utilizing, if you want to use it in the Hobonichi drawer pouch. And then I'm trying to think here, that link that I'm putting in the description, it has so many great ideas for you from Hobonichi for this particular drawer pouch. I think you're going to love to see those options. And this particular pattern fabric, I have all my drawer pouches in. It appears this year in 2026 lineup that they don't really have much of anything, it seems like, in this material. So I want to put that right out the gate there. But you can always find them eBay, Etsy even, Mercari, and things like that. But this particular style, they have lots of different cute colors and options for 2026. That is just adorable. So take a look at those. I'll put the link also for you in the description to Hobonichi of all the different drawer pouches, and a link that is directly just to the Ane drawer pouch to help you out. So if you have any questions or there's something you would like a closer look at, let me know in the comments, and I might be making a video for you as well. Thanks so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give that little like button a click and subscribe to hang out with me and hang out with us. Thanks so much for joining me.